When you have frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis, what is frozen or stuck is the entire shoulder capsule. You have a somewhat generalized inflammation going on in the entire shoulder during this time, including the front of the shoulder, the side, and the back of the shoulder. These are the three parts that are safe to massage for the most part. There are different intensities of massaging. For people who have high sensitivity, you should probably start with low intensity. In this case, you are working on the superficial layer of the shoulder. This is mostly skin and fascia. When you're doing self-massage with one arm, it is a good idea to use a massage tool. I will be using an edge tool here. For low intensity massage, you can use a brushing technique. This is suitable for decreasing swelling. This technique is only suitable for the front of the shoulder, top of the shoulder, and side of the shoulder. For the back of the shoulder, as well as the shoulder blade, fascia mobilization is not quite possible if you were to do self-massage. However, higher intensity self-massage technique is possible even for the back of the shoulder. For moderate to high intensity massage for frozen shoulder, you could use the foam roller for moderate intensity and tennis ball for high intensity. For both the foam roller and the tennis ball, you could do a vertical or horizontal movement. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I'm going to link 2 more frozen shoulder related videos that you can watch regarding frozen shoulder exercises. I'll also link a more comprehensive shoulder massage video for you.